Good morning class 11. Last time we had studied about 5 basic accounting terms. But today we're gonna start with 5 another basic accounting terms which we use in accounting. Okay. First of all, it is written here the purchase. Purchase is the word which is used for only and only for purchase of goods in which the business deals. If we talk about the goods, what is goods? I have given you the example in the last video. That means for a stationery trader, if he purchase stationery from wholesale market, that means it is a good for him or her. Okay, for a shopkeeper. As it is written that it is an expense, as we know that whenever we're gonna purchase anything, we have to pay some money. That is why it is said to be an expense. Is that clear? That means purchase is anything which is used for goods. Okay, which is used for purchase of goods, and it is an expense for the business. Is that clear? Okay, now we're gonna shift with sales. Sales is also a term which is used for goods. Okay, and it is an activity which includes transfer of ownership of goods. Here it is written, means transfer of ownership of goods and services to the customer. As a shopkeeper, whenever you are going to sell your goods, that means you are going to have money from the customers. That is why it is an income treated. Is that clear? To talk about sale means transfer of ownership. As a shopkeeper, I am having some goods, and as a customer, you come to me and I give it to you that particular commodity, and in exchange of that particular commodity, I just receive a money from you. That means that is an income for a business. Is that clear? It is an income for the business. Sales is the term which is an income for the business. We talk about the next, debtors. Debtors are all those parties, whether it is a body of individual or any firm or any business, to whom goods is being sold on credit. Credit means udhar. Okay. Whenever the goods is being sold on credit to the parties, those parties becomes the debtors of the business. Is that clear? Here it is written, the word debtor is used for those parties. That means parties means any business firm or body of individual, you and me. Okay. To whom the goods are sold and services are rendered on credit. Credit means udhar. Okay, and payment is not received. Whenever the payment is not received, those party becomes the debtors for the business. Is that clear? Okay. Next it is creditors. It is just an opposite word of debtors. Whenever we sell goods on credit, the party becomes debtor, and whenever we purchase good from someone, that means those parties become the creditor of the business. Here it is written, the word creditor is used for those parties or for the parties from whom goods are purchased on credit, means udhar. Payment has not been made to them. Whenever we are going as a businessman, whenever we are going to the market sorry, we are going to the market and going to purchase some goods, and we are not going to pay the money. We are just purchasing it on credit. That means udhar. Okay, that means we are not going to pay them right at the time of purchasing. We're gonna pay them further in the future. Okay, that means till the time that we are not paying the money to them, that means those parties become the creditors of the business. Okay, the simple meaning, whenever we gonna purchase anything and we are not paying the money at the time of purchase, those parties becomes the creditors of the business. If you talk about the last term stock. Stock, the term stock includes value of those goods which are lying unsold at the end of the accounting period. Every business is having certain accounting period, or a 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. Okay, whenever we gonna make the accounts, we're gonna tally our profit or loss, we're gonna know or determine the financial position at the end of the year or at the end of the accounting period. Whatever the goods is being lying unsold, that good value of goods, that is known as stock. Okay, so it is enough for today. So your homework is, what are the meaning of these words: purchase, sales, debtors, creditors, and stock. You have to write it in your own words, as well as you have to take the examples of books also. Thank you.